Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at channel permissions. So essentially what channel permissions do is they're very similar to standard roles, except they allow you to edit things within specific channels of the server as opposed to as a role sets things for the entirety of the server. So for example, if we click on the general cog and click on permissions, this is currently everything is set to the default, which is the middle, which means that if their role has it, then they're allowed to do it. And that's the general rule of thumb. What I've done also is I've added in one of my friends into here called Skyzer, who I put as the member role, and I've created a moderator role for myself, just to show the difference between them. If we were to go into hashtag test, for example, and let's say if we wanted to rename this to mod room, so this will be the room for the, of course you cannot have spaces in these. And let's say this is where I wanted to have all of the private information for moderators of the server to talk to each other, but of course I didn't want the member, such as this member here, to be able to see what's being written in here. What I can easily do is go to Edit Channel, Permissions, and then where it says Role and Members, I can add a role. I can do it either way here. What I'm going to do, this way I recommend, especially if you've got multiple roles, is if we add the moderator to it, and then we go to the everyone, and we turn off basically everything. And by turning off everything, we're basically stopping them from seeing it. So now moderator is still on the middle bit. You can put these to green if you would rather. It doesn't really make a difference. If I go off of that, Skyzer's name no longer appears on the right here. If I click on general, it's there because he can see the general chat. He can see anything that's being written in here. But in mod room, he cannot see it. He cannot see that this room exists whatsoever. You can do the exact same with voice channels, except you cannot hide them as much, but you can lock them. Locking them will basically mean that only specific people or specific roles can actually join the voice channel, while other people cannot. It works in the exact same method. That's pretty much it, as in, I won't go into what every button does. It's very similar to the roles in regards to how each of these work, as in I went through all of them in the adding roles video that I did a few days ago. So, thank you everyone for watching, and until next time, goodbye.